The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and every one. And quick and fast, I'm going to explain something and then leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, it had been brought to my attention about a video. Yes, it is on social media. And this video shows of a person that had been arrested by the Jamaica police, Jamaican police, you see me? And the video shows up more than one police officers, alright? And this video is out on social media where some persons are saying that how the police officers arrested the man, or the police officer arrested the man, was wrong. And some persons are saying that the police was right. And some persons are saying that the person that was being arrested or detained, that person was not complying with the law, alright? According to what has been said on social media is that this had happened in the country of Jamaica, but I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where in Jamaica this had happened, nor do I have any information as to when it had happened, but it is said that this had happened in the country of Jamaica, you see me? Like the amount of times we see things like these on social media between civilians and police officers. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you the video right about now so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, And the question is, who was wrong? Is it the police or police officers, or is it the civilian, right? Who was wrong? You see me? The police or the civilian? You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and this is where I'm going to show you the video right about now, but please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, alright? Observe.
Yeah man, the man do it. I ain't pick it up. No man, the man do it. You know? The man do it. I fear I never, you know? I fear I never. I fear I never.